There we go.
Sky, give brother another turn.
Say some more for me.
She's got life in construction.
Go put your school shoes on.
All we're doing is actually on the outside.
Probably in the lounge room.
Oh, messy. Oh, that's a good one.
No, you might have to do it.
Bossy. Alright. That'll do. Alright guys, welcome to another vlog. As you can see, my house is a construction zone. We have utes and stuff everywhere. We got an electrician in. All the power's turned off. He's ripping all the electricals out. It's demolition day for our kitchen. So wifey's getting what she wanted. Wifey?
Sorry, I'm ordering Scarlett's lunch because I can't make it today. I had to pack up everything. I was like, I'll make sandwich and stuff.
What's happening today exactly?
We're pulling the kitchen out and digging up the tiles.
All the tiles, the whole house.
Well, not the whole house because it's just this area, but yeah, I think so.
Yeah, not the whole house, because if we did a whole house, what about the toilet room?
And then I think we're moving the drawers out today as well because we were very undecided with what we want to do with them. Sorry, I haven't brushed my hair. Those big buffet drawers, we weren't sure whether we were going to keep or throw them out or anything. And I had Matt and Mel over on the weekend and he had a great idea. He's like, why don't you move them in the toy room? Because we need like new storage in the toy room. And we were like, oh, that is a great idea.
So I didn't even know that was happening for sure yet. So that is happening, is it?
I think so.
Okay.
That makes sense. We measured it up. It's perfect. Like the depth to the gap, it's 600 mils for both of them. The width of it, by the time you put that in, there's enough room to put Scarlett's desk in. So it's like, I think it's just meant to be.
Yeah.
And it's not going to exactly suit the area.
Yeah.
But I'd love to put just like a smaller buffet in and put pictures up on the wall.
What's he yelling at Regan for that?
You should have shown the hammer ring.
It's amazing.
What do you want, boss?
What age can they be an apprentice?
You want the hammer?
What age can they be an apprentice?
What are you
All
doing?
safe? There's no power in it? Electricity?
I don't want you to split fingers open.
Watch yourself, Regan. That hammer's going to come out of the hand. It's going to flick through the wall.
Sucking
So
bleed.
fun!
You know the old people who used to run that.
Oh, Jesus, Dave.
Wait, hit him up. Hit him up.
I don't have that string.
Oh, maybe.
I'll make it work.
She really hates this. Like, she hates this cupboard so much.
Hey, there's your boy. Yep.
Now punch the one out above it.
Punch it?
Yeah.
What do you want me to jump?
I've seen you punch
Where's that little
things.
step stool?
I've seen you punch things before.
It's too high.
Hey? You reckon the kids' artwork?
Sorry.
Are these meant to come out in full pieces to give back to the kids?
No, wreck.
Alright guys, so I'm letting all the chaos go on in there. Got a big announcement, guys. Look, like to announce that I've officially made it on YouTube. I have gone ahead, and this wasn't intentional. I said about getting this and they're too expensive, but then one of you guys that watched the videos hit me up and said they had a pair. Guys, I have my very own genuine Ganador mirrors. I paid about a third of what they're going for at the moment, so even though it was still too much for a set of mirrors, I don't intend on selling JZX90. I absolutely love the JZX90. It was the car that Scarlett was brought home from the hospital in. I think regardless of anything, the car's not going anywhere. So yeah, do you love my mirrors, hun? You actually do?
Yeah.
I thought you were going to say how much you hate them.
No, Ganadors all look the same.
What do you mean Ganadors all look the same?
They've all got that
GK
stupid hole in them.
Same.
You want to punch you in the face, mate?
Not really.
Not the same. GK deck mirrors are definitely good, but on the JZX90 they sat up too far. Like for the price though.
Oh yeah.
Like I wouldn't bother. Like my GK Tech mirrors on the 8.6 I freaking love. Like they're perfect on the 8.6. So
27 inches.
yeah, gonna go. Not that big. The way she complains about it though, you'd think it was.
Measure in inches because someone put paint.
Oh, who did that?
I don't know, probably you.
Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and fit the Ganador mirrors onto the JZX90. So just so you know, if you haven't been watching for a little while, we've got the standard factory mirrors on there with these little weird things I put on because, I don't know, it was $10 on eBay. I thought I'd chuck them on. But yeah, let's go ahead and get these mirrors fitted. Alright, fast forward 6 hours later, some new cabinetry. What's that called? Cabinetry, not cabinetry, shelving. Moved a cabinet because on top of doing the kitchen, Tiana decided to pull apart our laundry.
Is that box empty or full?
Princey helped me, but
Is that an empty box or a full box?
What are you laughing at? Come on, spit it out, spit
it's
it.
just funny. Like this morning, the laundry was like full linen cupboard, like that linen cupboard. The
that's
other
our
way,
linen cupboard.
and then there was a big cupboard on top, and then there was so much stuff, and then now it's a washing machine.
A
Is
washing
there still a
machine.
hole in the wall from the dryer?
That's going to be where the washing machine goes.
Huh?
It'll go
No,
where?
the washing machine's still in there, connected.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So
And then
yeah,
there's big-
it's
holes in the wall.
massive clean up here at the Fink residence. I did get the Ganadors fitted, so I'm pumped on that. Me and Tiana had a big argument about all these boxes. That was great. So Chi-Chi, I'll show you guys inside in a sec, but Chi-Chi and the boys have been going hard as hell, but really pumped on these Ganadors. I barely even had a chance to have a proper look, but definitely looks so they're proper full electric Ganador mirrors. I then drove the car out from the driveway, but you can immediately tell, you know, they're really nice to see out of and definitely a really good addition to this car, and especially them being a dark mirror. Obviously I'm going to go a darker color with the rest of the car anyway. When the car gets painted, the mirrors will get painted properly, but even now, just having the dark mirror on there, I really need to like black out that trim, but very pumped. I'll go inside now and show you guys. Obviously absolutely flat out day today. As you can imagine, so much stuff done. We've moved the Sylvia forward now. It'll live a bit further forward in the shed. Got Tiana's 8.6 forward. Everything will sit further forward now so we can use the available space behind. And now this is our house now, which is absolutely trashed. Oh, so we got no lights in here at all.
No.
I just realised.
Yeah, we have no lights in here.
Oh, it's a bit dark.
Yeah, we can bring the lamp from the lounge room in.
Yeah, so fully dark. I don't know, for any of you guys that had been paying attention to our house stuff, our kitchen was all in here. Now gone. We used to have this big cabinet that was there, now gone. That's going to get moved into the kids' room. The new kitchen goes in next week. The windows have all been changed out. We've got sort of half-size windows now. And then I'll show you guys in the lounge room, we've had our TV wall mounted now. So it's all interesting for me anyway. So you can't really tell because how absolutely trashed the place is, but we have the TV wall mounted now, 75 inch or something, with our light bar, it's a sound bar above it. So that's pretty rad having that in there now. So yeah, we got someone that's been picking up all the old kitchen stuff and getting rid of it. So yeah, it's just been a humongously busy day today. What can I say, man? It's definitely a big change, and the garage, more than anything, I'm pretty bloody excited about. I think it's really going to look, you know, it's all purposeful. A lot of the stuff in here, we have our air fresheners and stuff, which you guys, if you don't already know, oh, how am I going to get it? These are our air fresheners. So they are black diamond smell, so super good smell. And then we have our like Boss coffee smell, which is this is a personal favorite of mine, which is you see that one when you see me driving around in the other car. Then we got all our, a lot of our hat merch and stuff out here. So yeah, just setting up our house a bit better for the YouTube business side of things, and also, you know, a lot of this is like paperwork from the track, because we have to keep everything for an extended amount of time for the track. Yeah, I don't know, man. It's really cool what's going on here. I'm very, very, very happy about it all. Yeah, definitely be showing you more of the house mods as the days go on now. All right, that is us somewhat packed up for the night. All of this 8.6 now in here. But if you look at the amount of available space, when you think these are washing machines, and I don't know, I'm thinking like, if I took that racking out and moved these wheels and stuff like that, I could definitely fit another 8.6 in here. You imagine opening up the garage and having like two 8.6s and an S13? That'd be pretty sweet. So, I don't know. We may end up trying to work out some other storage idea for the rest of the stuff we've got in here. Inside the shed, but maybe like a hanging rack off the roof or something to put the rest of that stuff in, because, man, if I could put my 8.6 in there as well, oh, I would be so happy. It'd be terrifying once Tiana's driving her 8.6, because it would be a tight spot to back into. Yeah, I have to put more thought into that, but I would love to have my 8.6 in there as well. I think that would just look so good. We'll get there. Still got a lot of work to do inside this house. Yeah, so I'll catch you guys up in tomorrow's vlog. Stay positive, guys. If you can, jump on, grab some merch, support the channel, and yeah, peace out, guys. I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog.